guys, how's it going, and welcome back. So I've been messing with the Ashbury, and it's taken a week. So much for having it done in a week. Oh well, hey, can't all get it done. Anyway, so I've patched up the top here where apparent knife hole or whatever it was they stabbed through it. I braced it up underneath, pushed all the pieces up, laid down some glue, laid down some toothpicks inside to add a little bit of wood back in just to fill up the pocket a little bit more. Okay, and now it's overbulged, which is exactly where I want it, and so now I can sand this all down. Now I'm definitely going to have to paint this thing. It's not going to get restained, so I'll definitely have to paint it. So the next stage is we flip this sucker and we have to start working on the back side where this nice big gaping hole is and where it's splitting. Now I still have to put this back in too on the underside of the top. Haven't done that yet, but I can do that later, because right now what I want to do is I want to see how much of this I gotta actually pry up and out of the way, or how much I can. And we're also going to see how far it's going to go too. So by doing this, you get to see the little, I have no idea what the technical name of this is, but I call it the ribs. But I'm going to have to pull this back enough that I can feed glue all along there. And we do have a broken section, but the other half is still on the bottom, so that's good. It should reset itself. If not, we can run a bead of glue inside it later on. So the good point to actually still having not put this back in is I can actually jam it right in there. I can use that for a little bit of leverage right now. So I got to run the bead in, get that glued down to there, and get it sealed. Once this side is done, then I'm going to have to go in with my Dremel, the cutting wheel, and I'm going to have to cut a section out here and then clean all this crap up, and then I'm going to have to make a whole new piece for inside there with an underside brace as well. That looks like it's going to be about the easiest way to fix that. So we are getting there very slowly, but I figure I'm going to wait and do all the sanding last, but I'll put this piece back in after this is glued down and has set. I'll glue that back in, and then I'll flip it back over and then get all this section out. So the next video will be after I've got this sealed up and I've cut this out at least, and then we'll go and we'll make a new piece for that. But so far so good. I think I can save this thing. The piece under the bridge that broke off, I haven't been able to get that back in yet. That's this little guy here. That's going to be a little trickier than I thought, because it's the way it goes in there. So that's definitely an interesting thing. But yeah, we're slowly making some progress. So I'm actually hoping, I think we've definitely got some hope to save this thing. So that's actually good. So we shall see you after this has been glued and set for a couple of days, and we'll just continue on. So stay tuned for more.